All right, let's take a look at SAT type questions for our current unit. So the SAT will rarely ask you just to solve because you could just substitute in the answer and find out. So this says if 3x minus 5 equals 15, what is the value of 10x? So the first thing I'm going to do is solve this underlined equation. So I have 3x minus 5 equals 10. Solve this two-step equation. So I have 3x equals 15. Divide by 3. So I end up with x equals 5. Guaranteed that's one of your answers on the SAT. But that's not the correct answer because they're looking for what is the value of 10x. So now I need to take this and substitute it in for x. So my final answer is 50. All right, example 2. If 3 minus x equals negative 15, what is the value of 2x plus 7? Once again, I'm going to start by solving this equation. So I'll subtract 3. So I have negative 1x equals negative 18. Divide by negative 1. I have x equals positive 18. But I need the value of 2x plus 7. So I'll take this and substitute it in. So I have 2 times 18 plus 7. 2 times 18 is 36. Plus 7 is 43. All right, I could also have one that's written as a proportion. So the first thing I'm going to do is solve this proportion. So I have 3 over x equals 9 over x minus 8. So I will start by doing the cross products. So I have 9x equals, and then I'll have 3 times x minus 8. So I have 9x equals 3x minus 24. Subtract 3x. 6x equals negative 24. Divide. So I end up with negative 4. And then I will take that and substitute it back in. So I'm asked to find the value of 12 over x. So I'll replace the x with negative 4. And I end up with negative 3.